Hi, hello, it's me, Carmen. I'm in Huntington, Alaska, and look at that view. Gorgeous. And that is the sunlight of 8:30 p.m. Supposed to be high in the low 50s today. I don't know. This is my first time outside. It was sunny enough. It's not cold. It's not raining. It's not snowing. So that makes me happy. So this is what 10:15 p.m. looks like at night. The end of April this year, or if you're military, 2215. So the sensor lights have started coming on. You can see the mountains there in the distance. Absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, this is where we are. This is what we're at.
To line this up just right, or I'll actually poke
Lily. Lily, I'm not. I'm taking a video.
That's funny.
So that can.
You got that look from your
She
mother.
wants you to pet
I
her.
get that look quite often from your
She's
mother.
so cute.
That's all you wanted?
Oh yes, I want to be loved. I want to be loved and told that I'm a good dog.
Not most important, but.
Even when I'm being naughty. Careful, she'll lick you real quick.
Please.
I told you she's gonna lick you real quick.
There's other days where he could go as well.
Hey.
So June 9th, you guys are that booked? People in front of you can't drive. So, those last few snows really left their effect here. Alright guys, we are out here looking for these sheep, the Dall sheep. So a supervisor told me that they're out here, and I was like, oh, I've only ever seen them on the way to Girdwood, but I guess these mountains do connect back that way. And I don't want to give you the wrong trail name, because goodness knows if anybody would give you the wrong name, it would be me. Okay, so I did not see any sheep. I hope it's because I'm too early or too late or just a really bad wildlife spotter. I hope it's not because, like, the bears ate them. She was saying that it should be in groups of like 4 or 5 with the babies. Hey, hi, hello. Sorry. Hey, hi, hello. It's me, Carmen. I'm in Huntington, Alaska. It is 5:45 in the evening. I have a cough drop in my mouth because I'm not feeling well. It is 50 degrees and cloudy. Still cloudy. Cloudy again. Or however it is that you would prefer for me to word that. But, that's what we're dealing with this time of year. Not seasonal allergies. I have managed to catch a cold. Yay me. What? How long did she say it was? What are we grumbling about? Don't leave me trying to decide who you want to sit next to. Oh, they set up the front, right?
And the rocket's red glare travel the world with your language skills, you get to track where you go. Every student who earns the CL Literacy is fluent in whatever language they're doing. And in the Anchorage School District, we have all our traditional languages, but we have so many home languages spoken at home. Mikea Tikyun, German. Lindsay Biggs, Spanish. David Waldorf, Spanish. Laura Weeks, Spanish. Dale Westerland, German. Nathan Whitmore, Spanish. Alex Brooks, German. And Riley Irvin.